The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Jim in San Diego. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, November 22nd. Leo, good morning. Very good morning. Guys, bear with me 1 second. So we will trade a regular full day tomorrow. We'll of course trade in the room today until 11, maybe 11:15. I will be doing order flow class tomorrow, which I believe is our 12th meeting. But I will be off on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 5-day weekend. I will not know what to do with myself. I will, of course, enjoy my children. In any event, we're here. NASDAQ is up 59. ES is currently up 12. YM up 72. Russell is up 14 points. Gold is down $11. Copper's off. Interestingly enough, silver is green. I don't expect that to hold. Crude is down another 30 cents. Crude is getting shellacked with dollar strength. I do not expect that to last very long. We do have some bot trades. ES has taken a short at 7:30 this morning. That trade is still on. We'll see what we get with that ES trade. We've had two gold trades. The first gold trade was long. It was a loser. We now have a short. First target has been filled, and we have a runner on first target. Last week was a down week for the bot. Bot finished down $525.50 for the week. We also have NASDAQ. NASDAQ has taken a couple of longs and has gone to losing trades so far. And then, of course, we have this is the same trade in here, trade number 1. And then this is a similar signal. It's never crossed into a short. It has gone to stop. And now we have another long at 42. And we'll see what we get with that. So a little bit sloppy to start the week. Gold, if it blows below 38, is probably headed to 30. Gold is definitely a short. Copper is interesting. It's long on virtually every time frame except the hourly. Morning, Caleb. So again, guys, I will not be in the room on Wednesday or Friday. Thursday, obviously, is a holiday. Markets are closed anyways. And I will have to cut this afternoon session a little bit short. I have to go to the airport to pick up my daughter. Okay? I'll cover it again because I'm sure people will join late. In any event, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. We do have a few good morning, Hubba Hubba. We do have a few trials. I actually was not going to do trials, but because it's such a short week for me. But if you're here on trial, your trial will conclude next week, Friday, next week. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Hit target one, didn't fill it. On the new 15-minute candle, did not fill. YM looks short to me, guys. We could see 380 on the hourlies. 510 on NASDAQ? I don't think so. 570 might be a really nice entry. I mean, we could come 510. I mean, theoretically, we could come 430. I doubt it. There's first target on the ES. My stop on gold is going to be 43.5, fellas. And YM, it went, it was 99. Anybody short YM? Guys, YM, I have a target at 382. 382. Low of the day is 562. I mean, I don't know what it would take to blow that thing out, but let me take a look at bonds. Nothing. Natty Gas getting pummeled. thing really should come to 38. Buyers here. All right, I'm going to kill gold. I'm going to kill it, guys. 1 second here. I need to see sellers. No. I'm out. I'm out on gold. I'm out. If this thing dumps, I'm going to be annoyed. There goes copper. Again, guys, if I, trading on my own, I'm prepared to take full stop outs, right? Trades are what they are. But in the room, I try to be, I err to the side of caution. And this time it bit me. That's all. We've got 40 seconds, guys, to the open. 40 seconds. Small buyers in the NASDAQ. Morning, Keith. Guys, real quickly, if you're joining late, I've made this announcement. I'll make it a few more times. This is going to be a very short week for me. I will be here only Monday and Tuesday. I am off Wednesday, of course, Thursday, and then again Friday I will not be here. This afternoon session will be cut short at 2:30. I have to go to the airport today to get my daughter. Here we go. And then Wednesday I have to go get my son in Atlanta at 8:30 a.m. So I have to leave here by 6. I will definitely go through withdrawal. All right, guys, here we go. Yep. All right, guys, long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Target number 1, maybe 59, 58. And then watch for the breakout. All right, you got your 59, 50, whatever target. Target 1 hit and filled. Free trade now here, fellas. Free trade. There you go, guys. It's your first trade, order flow trade of the day. NASDAQ got all 3 targets on the bot. ES is long on the bot. First target is already off. I told you guys ES was long earlier at 07. Nothing on the YM. Nothing more on the ES. Above 19, ES can trade 740. Russell, I'll look for the long on RTY. Yeah, I'm watching RTY. That's the only thing I have right now. Small pullback now in NASDAQ. Order filled on what? NASDAQ went long again. Hang on, guys. I can't move it. There we go. Here's NASDAQ on the bot. And here is ES on the bot. First target is off ES. I'll go over those at 11. 66 core. Okay, Greg, thank you. There's a small short here now on the NASDAQ, trying back to potentially 45. $63, $64 short right here on NASDAQ. Small short, maybe 63. Got to 64. Watch 63. Nope. It's got to get up through 76. NASDAQ got target one on the bot. Gold looks like it's a long if you're willing to use a very liberal stop. They're selling the Russell, which is interesting. Crude is going to go long on the bot. There it is. Boy, I'm really shocked at the Russell. Guys, NASDAQ's target is 702 on the long side, 700. I'm looking for a place to get back in, so. ES got both targets on the bot. That's done. Come on, NASDAQ, give me something. Give me something, NASDAQ. AMD went goofy long. Anybody take gold long? Guys, NASDAQ's going to 700. This is one of those. This is one of those kind of buy it, don't look. Anybody long NASDAQ still? Or get in again? Anybody long? It's going to 700. Okay. It's going to 700, guys. There's nothing I mean, the risk to reward up here for me is, it's just not worth it for me. Here comes. Here comes the break. NASDAQ got second target on the bot. Here comes your 700. I think this week we'll see 850. Come on, 700. Come on, 98, almost. Come on. You got. There it is. 700, 702. There you go, fellas. Everybody should be healthy. Thank you, Jeff. Well, thank Biden. Perfect time for the news on Powell. Anybody take the gold long? Said gold was long. Yeah, gold is long. I like gold up to 26. 26. If you're holding NASDAQ, guys, you now have a target at 730 area, all the way up here. 21, 22, and then 30. If you're holding NASDAQ. All three targets hit on NASDAQ. I'd move it if I could. The chart was frozen. Chart is frozen, but I'll go over bot trades as I do every day at 11. All right, NASDAQ, you gonna give us a damn pullback or what? No. Gold is long. I have gold. I have no idea how that trade just filled. None. None. It's not a short. No idea how that trade filled. Here is crude. Crude breaks out above 23 or so, it's going to go. It could go to 76.70, above 23. No, Mark. You've been in the room a long time. I mean, do you ever see me do that? Nope. I let him trade. Long gold, fellas. It's above 23. Long gold. I'm sorry, crude. Long crude. They're buying the heck out of the NASDAQ, guys. Next 15-minute candle coming. Crude is longs, fellas. Not quite the first target yet on the bot. 4 ticks shy on the first target so far. It's just fighting this yellow here. Come on, crude. Get that first target. Here we go. Let me look at Russell, which is the only thing that's been just pounded. Nothing. I have no trade in the Russell. Crude's pulling back. You had a 350 buyer here at 700. Got a long in copper. Long copper. I'm going to put a copper long on, guys. There's copper. Target 139.75, that unfinished auction. RTY is finally starting to get a bid. Come on, copper. Let's go. There goes NASDAQ. Blowing up. I took it at 18, Mimi. Guys, as always, trade as you see fit. You might want to come in one tick ahead of the unfinished auction, your prerogative. As soon as Russell goes green, I will take Russell. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? You got your 33 target. That's probably where I would be out. Man, you had block buyers up here at the top. Somebody bought 83 contracts at 33 half. Yeah. NASDAQ, if it pulled back to 84, would be a good entry. I'd need to see 85, 84, 85 on NASDAQ for a reload. All right, Russell. Not yet, but close. That's your, bottom feeder. For me, Russell is probably a 59 long RTY, above 59. NASDAQ won't pull back enough yet. Nothing I can do with it. Russell's getting there, guys. Maybe 58 half if you're a little more aggressive on RTY. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't think we're going much higher than this 32, 33 for now. You can do that probably with a fairly small stop, I would think, Greg. Watch RTY. All right, there's RTY. Target 164. Target 1 is 64. This NASDAQ, man, no stopping it. Here comes target 1 on RTY. Nope, can't get a pullback. I mean, do you think I wanted to trade Russell? Guys, always trade as you see fit. Final target for me will be 70 on Russell. Come on, 2-3 ticks. Are you kidding? You got to be kidding me. I think I missed by 2 ticks. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Trade them as you see fit. Came within 2 ticks. Still think I'll get it, but trade as you see fit for your accounts. NASDAQ, goodbye. Come on, Russell. Come on, one more push. What a rat bag. Come on, man. There we go. Still 2 ticks. Come on, dork. Seller showed up here. Unfinished auction, target 1. Unfinished auction. This is just I can't believe this, Russell. 2 ticks. Come on, man. Let's go. Pump it up. Give me some buyers. All right. You're going to get me out of some of this. That's it. Have 2 off. 2 off. This is copper. Guys, I got you into a great NASDAQ trade. Decent little copper trade. Gold if you took it. ES. Major motoring. Copper still doesn't want to get there. It will eventually. Trade them as you see fit, guys. You guys know we got light volume this week, and I surely cannot control. Look at this 24.5, 24.4. I surely cannot control price action. Out on crude trade on the bot. Oh, crude. Look at this. Existing home sales coming here, guys. NASDAQ will give us, no, wait till the next candle. Existing home sales is a beat. Eurozone consumer confidence is a miss. It's a miss. Here's copper trying. I'm loving Ninja today. I really am loving my Ninja today. My Dom keeps freezing. Anybody know the tick range on NASDAQ? Tesla's up 5%. Jeez. No, the range. The range. NASDAQ range. Tick range. I mean, that's what it looks like we're going to on NASDAQ. My next target on NASDAQ is 850. 777 then 850 on the dailies. Bananas. Well, no pullback, no entry. Are they? Yeah, Amazon's down $4. That might be an interesting long, though. There's no reason for Amazon to be. Let me look at it. Well, Tesla's carrying them right now. Yeah, interesting on Amazon. Hey, Jill. I have 32 all the way down to 14. Welcome to the room. 32 down to 14 is what I have. Well, a little more patience I'd have gotten my Russell target. The Qs. SPY. Morning, Bashkar. All right, Russell. I'm going to take Russell off. I'm out of Russell. Whew. It's crazy, Mimi. Am I missing anything on the other thing? I don't see anything. I'm not missing anything, right? Yeah, it ended up a really good day. If you took the NASDAQ trade. Oh, dun, 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 dun. Boy, NVIDIA, 345, almost 6 it hit. Jeez. Q's pushing again. Crude pulling back, but it's still in longs. Hourly has got to turn up. Small time frame is in longs. I got nothing on the NASDAQ. There's nothing I can do. ES as well. Nice job, Todd. I think you're going to get it. Pretty close to it. 77. I mean, that's the next target on NASDAQ. It's only 20 handles away, give or take. I tried, fellas. I just can't get a pullback. 32 is where I should have bought it. I just didn't like that bounce. Maybe we get 17,000 this week. Wouldn't that be cool? We're going to 806. We're going to trade to 806 on the NASDAQ. Yeah, that's happened to me more than once, Brad. I think this week. I don't think today. I mean, who knows? Who knows who's around? Look at your delta. We're almost to 4,000 net buyers, guys. There's no selling. That's why we can't get in. There's no selling. My Dom froze again on Ninja. What a piece of stinking work this platform is. They should be ashamed. They really should be ashamed. Look at all the buyers that just came in at the day high again. Yeah, I'm going to do that today, Paul. I'm going to get rid of Rhythmic. Copper is still trying, guys. So what am I doing with it? 366 to 68? He's not buying calls, though, is he? Still can't get this thing to go to target. It will. It's not going to leave that target. Oh, okay. At a 140, they're buying them here at 55. Not where I'd want to buy it. Somebody sold 27. I think so, Deepak. And go into IQ feed. There goes your crude, fellas. There goes crude. Anybody long crude? Anybody long CL? Anybody? Oh, copper. I wonder what the hell. Copper got target one. Nice job, Greg. Copper got target one. I don't know, Deepak. I don't know. Anybody holding copper, fellas? New day high by 8 tick. Anybody holding copper? Okay. What do you want to do? Out on the runner on crude. Guys, that was a big move. 30 some odd ticks was a nice move. What are you in at, Greg? 26? Yeah, 26. Target on crude, guys. I have 76.70. Give me a pullback. I just sent it. I just got it, Deepak. All right, guys. Russell is continued longs. We're hourly up. We've got some resistance in here, but I think Russell trades this week 2,400. 2,400. Can't get a pullback. Yeah, crude's just jacking around. It's not going anywhere. Let me see what it looks like here. Lock some in on crude. If you guys are long on copper, lock some in. I'll probably get smashed here. I'm behind this buyer imbalance right here. Here's crude. All kinds of buyers. Look at all the buyers in here. Look at these block buys. I mean, they're all through here. All block buys. This is nothing. Out on copper. Watch gold for a long down around 11. Became 11.8. I got nothing. NASDAQ, I would like to see 700. Maybe this afternoon. YM is going to pull back. Yeah, I mean, my NASDAQ target, 840. 840. Guys, is there anybody not making money? Is there anybody not making money yet? Crude is going to go. It's just fighting hourly minutia. Yeah, crude is holding. I don't have it in. I don't have crude in the short at the moment. On crude, 82. Where are you in? Oh, how late? You know, one of the things that I tell people is, look, if you're late on a trade, pass it. There's always a trade. Where'd you get in? I mean, oh, the top. You did that on your own. Okay. You might get an hourly bounce on sugar. Yes, Patrick does. He trades coffee. Patrick was a sugar trader. Mm-hmm. All right, let me take a look at what I got here, guys. Here's what I like. All right, pay attention. Here's what I like right now. 30-year bond. I'm waiting for it to bounce. I like live cattle long. I like oats. Nobody trades it. And let me see where oats are. Yeah, oats is a long oats if you trade oats. I like Micron. Home Depot targets 418, 438, 450. Boeing doesn't look good. I mean, guys, I'll look at anything, stocks, whatever. If you guys want me to look at it, this is all I've got. Got buyers here again. Somebody just bought 60 cars at 48. They're buying them here at 48. I told you, I think this is a better long than short with a stop at 28. I would add into this at 41 on a break lower. 41. With a first target at 33. 41 with a 30. That would be my trade. Come on. Almost. Good sellers. They're small sellers in here and buyers. Talk about doing nothing in an entire 5-minute candle. Total doop-de-doo here. Da-da-da. Nothing. Pick your poison, fellas. Long or short. Come on down. All right. Build the short and bounced. Oh, come on. 3, come on. Come on. Thanks, Marco. Trade him as you see fit. If we catch that swing, we get our target. Trade him as you see fit, guys. I mean, she's not in a hurry to blow out. Come on. Come on. There we go. Took the swing. Come on. Got you 6 handles, fellas, if you want it. Trade as you see fit. I would have thought that as soon as we took that swing at 37, that was a free fall. $155. They're buying some back, selling them again, buying them. CL is almost a target, fellas. CL is almost to your target. If you guys are paying attention to crude, it is that target. It hit 70. It hit 70. It hit target. Nice job, Keith. Crude hit target. Now, if it blows up through there, we could go 77 and change. Obviously, Deepak. Yeah. We're well above VWAP. We've got strong net buying, and this thing just does not want to come down. If we could get somewhere down near 28, 29, I think it would be a great long with very little risk. But it just doesn't want to break. We've got sellers, but every time they push them, they buy, they're buying them. See it? Ping pong. When we broke down below that 36.50 area and still didn't break into target. This is when I get really annoyed with these trades. All right, guys. There we go. Come on. We get one more 30 range candle here, and we could get, a nice runner. Guys, it's a dink and dunk trade. I got a block seller here, 28 contracts, 140 at 167. We've got 115, 127 down in here. Trade as you see fit for your accounts. Okay? We're not breaking. You're welcome, John. You guys might want to take some risk off in crude if you're trading multiples and see if you can get to 77 today. All right, I'm done with this trade. I'm out. Waste of time, guys. Waste of time. Made a few bucks. That's it. Waste of time. I don't have the tolerance to sit in a trade going nowhere. The longer it takes to break down, the less I like the trade. Especially, they're bleeding them out over the last 9 minutes. If you guys, again, if it's in your trade plan, you want to hold it. Your target is there. Your stop is there, 52.5. I'm looking for the bounce long. That to me was just a trade. Who's loving crude, fellas? Who's loving crude? It hit 70 target. Now we're hourly up. If you guys have a runner in crude, you're hourly up, and your target now is 77.40. Give me 1 minute, guys. One more cup of coffee. Bot finished green, 780. 780. Here are the ES trades. ES was 2 for 2. Small short for target 1. 3 handles. And then a nice long at 9:30 open. All targets hit. You'd actually still be long. I'm going to trade 1 to about 2:30, Daniel. Then I have to leave for the airport. Here is the Russell. Had no trades today. Couple of big moves, but with the secondary time frames, didn't catch them. Nothing on RTY. Here comes NASDAQ. There you go. Target number 1, 77. Target number 1 is 77. I can't even. Target number 1 hit, and I can't even move my damn Dom. Target number 1 hit. I'm frozen again. Freaking ninja, man! I'll tell you, it is giving me fits today. Target 1 is hit. Target 1 is hit. 70. Come on. All right, I got target 1 off. There we go. Okay. Final target. We're going to try to trade it down to 51. 51. 51, 51. Come on, dog. Let's call it 52. Okay. 52. All right. All right. Let's finish up here. Here is crude. Crude had 2 trades, 2 winners. Got this short here, target 1 only. And this long here. For me, it was target 1 only before the pullback. Here is gold. First trade on gold. Losing trade at 6:54 a.m. on the long. Total failure. And then this short here. Anybody take gold when I said to take gold, you know, that you could take gold long? Here comes our 51 target, 52 target, fellas. Came dang close. We got the 56.75. We now have 1,600 plus negative delta. And last but not least, NASCRAC. So here's what we got on the NASDAQ. Nice job, Mimi. This is all essentially the same trade, guys. These are not new trades. Trade number one, the trade, was at 621. These are additional signals, but not additional trades. Same as here. Okay. That went to a small winner, and then NASDAQ here got all targets on the bot. So the bot was up on my end $800. Whatever I said, 780. Okay, 780. Anybody have any questions, guys? Trying to get to 52. Nice job, Marco. I think we should get it. Trade them as you see fit. If you guys want to hold this, you can probably get 41. So 52, you probably can get 42. If you guys want to be aggressive on the target, 52, and I think we can get 42. Trade as you see fit. Thank you, Jill. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. I don't like this consolidation in here. Let's get out of here. What is your target again, Q? I mean, I'm trying to get to 42. Where do I think we can come today? We may retrace all the way back to Friday's high, which was 628. Now, see, so now they're doing the inverse, right? Now they're sticking Europe, which closes in 20 minutes. Now they're sticking Europe all up in here. And then this afternoon, you know, once they get these guys out of here, man, I had that trade up here too. That would have been a 100 handle trade. Be that as it may. They're sticking Europe, and now they're going to force them to close or live with the trade before this afternoon. They'll run this up again today. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Juke them up. Looking for volume. We're 11% below our 3-month average daily. So 52 was my first target. And if we break here, we'll get it. All right, 52 target hit. Right? So now we're milking it to 42 from 89. All right, now it's milking it. Should get it. 47 handles, 47 and a half handle trade, fellas. Hit target to the, got it. Out. Now, if you guys want to hold for, additional freebies, feel free. It's 47 handles on that trade, fellas. Anybody that took it and held? You got targets. We could trade down 07 now. We could trade 07. Guys, did everybody make money today? Is there anyone that did not make money? You're welcome, Jeffrey. Nice job, Caleb. Is there anyone that did not make money today? Anybody lose money? I don't care about sim. If you lost sim bucks, I don't care. Is there anybody that lost money? 585? Yeah, 575 was Friday's close. Yeah, we could. You're welcome, Sharon. Nice job. I know Mimi did good, Sharon. She made her day's pay. Okay, Marco, Daryl, nice job. Nice, Marco. Good. Good. All right, guys. We're done for Monday. Tomorrow will be the last day in the room for the week. I will not be here Wednesday or Friday. For those of you guys that are here on trial, your trials will end next week, Friday. The link that I have sent you, please keep. It is how you will enter the room tomorrow and then, of course, next week. I will see my 1 o'clock group at 1. Yeah, well, Sharon, I can't count how many times I've done that too. Listen, I've had trades. This is no joke. I've had trades where, I was up, let's say, 1750, and I tried to get to 1900 or 2000 and ended up red. Seriously, I've had trades where I was up big on the day and ended up red. I no longer do silly things. Anybody have any questions before I wrap it up? Head to lunch. Yeah, Daryl. Yeah, I've done it more than once. I'm not the brightest bulb in the box, so sometimes it takes me, 30 or 40 tries. I was never that guy that, you could say, don't touch the stove, it's hot. I actually had to touch the stove. All right, fellas, have a blessed day. If there's anyone that will not be in tomorrow, then have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Enjoy your families. all of the blessings that we share and or that you all share with your families. We have a terrific environment here. We are all blessed to be here, guys. I appreciate all of you. I will see you all tomorrow, or those of you that are going to be here. I will see you tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. for my, or I'm sorry, 8 a.m. for my afternoon group. I'll see you guys in about an hour and 45 minutes. We'll see if we can't dig up a little bit more, and we'll get on with it. Remember, this afternoon session, guys, will be cut short a bit because I have to leave for the airport at 2:30 to get my daughter. She's flying in from New York City today. So, guys, be blessed. If I don't see you, I will see you all tomorrow at 8 o'clock. If anybody needs me, call me, email me, Scott.